Jiangsu High-Tech Goldenlion Vehicle Industry Company Limited. Established in 1994, it is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of electric motorcycle, electric bicycle, electric scooter. It is located in Changzhou City, Jiangsu Province with convenient transportation access. It is only 1 hour away from Shanghai by high-speed train. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Over the years, Goldenlion Vehicle has been adhering to the enterprise tenet of creating value for customers, creating opportunities for employees and creating benefits for the society, and constantly striving to provide high-quality products and high-quality services. The 24 hours professional customer service team provides round-the-clock service all year round, which has won numerous favorable comments from customers. In recent years, Goldenlion Vehicle has introduced a series of advanced equipment and new technique.